Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine. So, here we will talk about the prediction of the first exam of September month. That means for the exam that will be on 4th September 2021. This exam is for both academic and general students. So, this IELTS exam prediction is also for both. Now, let's begin. First, start with listening section for both academic and general module. In the first section, you will see the telephonic conversation in which there will be questions in the form of fill-ups. This time, the word limit will be up to 2 words or a number or the combination of both. Here, level will be the easy one. Now, moving on to part 2. In part 2, there is a chance of short MCQs along with the one word, a number fill-ups. Again, here level will be the easy one, but level in the third section will be the moderate as there is a prediction for long MCQs and match the following from the words given in the box. The fourth part again will be of fill-up, so this part will also be the easy. The overall level will be from easy to the moderate one for listening section. Now, moving on to the reading module of academic first. In the passage 1, you can expect true false not given along with the fill-ups. This passage will be the easy one. In the passage 2, you will get match the information type questions either in the form of list of headings or questions like which paragraph containing these questions. Moreover, you can expect fill-ups and the selection of the letters from the box. This passage will be the moderate one. Now, last passage, there will be a chance of MCQs, yes, no, not given, and also of fill-ups. This passage will be from easy to moderate one. For academic students, overall reading will be the easy one. Now you will see general module reading. In the first passage, there will be list of headings and also true, false and not given. Passage 1 will be easy to moderate level. Now come to passage 2. Here you can expect short questions for which you have to give answers and then some fill-ups. This passage will be the easy one. Moving to passage 3rd, there will be a chance of MCQs, selection of letters from the given box and fill-ups. This passage will also be from easy to moderate one. Overall, reading for general will be easy to moderate one. Now we will see the reading module for academic first. In the task 1, you can expect table chart, pie chart, line chart, bar chart or combination of any two. For task 2, there will be opinion type, discussion with opinion or outweigh type like advantages outweigh disadvantages. Remember one thing, in this outweigh type essay, you have to write 3 body type paragraphs. If you are not aware about it, check our IELTS writing task 2 for beginner tutorials video where you will came to know about the basic structure and the type of essays. For journal module, in task 1, there will be letter writing and you can expect a formal letter. Remember one thing, never use any type of short forms while writing formal letters. Moving on to task 2, this time concentrate more on opinion type and discussion with opinion essay. Here are some important topics from which we can expect our essay. Thanks for watching friends. For more updates, like and subscribe our YouTube channel.